Hello, my name is Dr. Michael Gottschalk, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Emory Healthcare. I completed medical school at the University of Texas San Antonio, my residency at Emory School of Medicine, and my fellowship in joint disease at NYU Hospital. I began practicing medicine in 2015. People sometimes ask why I chose to become a physician. It sounds simple, but I really enjoy helping people, watching them get substantially better, and back to the things they want to do in life. The interactions I'm able to have with my patients, getting to know them better, and helping them improve their quality of life makes my work so interesting as well as challenging. I've always enjoyed working with my hands, and with shoulder replacements, elbow hand wrist arthritis, and fractures, orthopedics is a natural fit for me. Here at Emory Healthcare, the quality of care and expertise available are far ahead of our community counterparts. Since we are an academic health system, I'm able to treat patients from all walks of life. In addition, we are able to train the next generation of orthopedic surgeons, as well as perform research to improve our specialty in the future. When it comes to my patients, I want them to know that I'm here to give them the most important information regarding their healthcare, so they can make the best decision for themselves. When I'm not caring for patients, I love spending time with my wife and 2 young kids and enjoy swimming and fishing with them. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together here at Emory.